Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. The third Sudoku is a binary puzzle, yes, and you will like this one. Okay, the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday, January the 23rd, 2021. Yes, yesterday was Saturday and today is Sunday. And yesterday, in the additional, the last binary we will solve will be number 2216. 2216. Alright. And before I start, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Yes. 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones, no, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku without any comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so, boys and girls? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last Sudoku. Try this one. This one is a tectonic with 1 star. If you don't know how to solve, just watch and print it out and solve this tectonic. I think you will like this tectonic. Alright, so see you later. Bye bye for now.